Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajax G here with another video. So today I'm going to be talking about some pre-built. Usually I talk more on a budget friendly side, but today I'm going to talk about some pre-builds for those of you who want to save up some money. So the pre-builds that I'm going to show in this video range from anywhere from $750 to $1,400. So if you're not someone that wants to save up to that, I mean, hey, stick around for the video. You never know what you might find, and you might be like, you know what, I'm going to save up for that PC. Alright, so let's get into the first PC. The Ryzen 5 2600 6-core 3.4 gigahertz processor, a GTX 1660 6GB, alright? It has a 500 gigabyte solid state drive and 8 gigabytes DDR RAM, okay? So this actually has Wi-Fi capability, so you don't have to use an Ethernet port if you didn't want to, but if you're gonna buy a PC, obviously you want to stream with the Ethernet port. This is going for $750 on Amazon. You can build the same exact PC with the same parts. Where if you mix and match between Micro Center and Amazon, you can get the same PC for about $100 less, but $100 is typically what they charge to build a PC for you anyways. So this model is perfectly fine. Now, the one thing I can say is if you were to build it yourself, you can get a 3400, right? A Ryzen 5 3400 with a motherboard for the same price of purchasing just a Ryzen 5 3600. So just keep that in mind while you're shopping for PCs. Remember to always look up between the buying it to build it yourself versus how much it costs online, so you can see if it's about anywhere between $75 to $150 difference. Because if it is and you're not someone that's comfortable with building a PC, you can buy a pre-built. Okay, so this is one option. I'm gonna leave everything in the link down below in the description, so you can click it and purchase it if you want, or look at it if you want. So that was one of the first low end of the PCs. Please don't forget to smash that like button for a double kill. Alright, so next, of course, I gotta show AMD and Intel for you guys, so I'm gonna show you an Intel PC now. Here is another option for you guys. I know some of you guys prefer Intel over AMD, so this is an Intel version of the first model that I showed you guys. The only thing that I would say about this one is that the case and the fans look way cooler on this one. But other than that, they're pretty much the same machine. One thing I would like to point out, you see how this fan looks on this? This is the out-of-the-box fan that comes typically with an Intel processor. Most processors don't come with a fan, but at least with Intel. But this one, it comes with a fan, and this is not a quality fan. Personally, either one works for me. I have a Ryzen and I love my Ryzens. My laptops have Intels though. I feel like Intels work better within laptops than AMD, but when it comes to PC parts, either one works perfectly fine. Alright, so those were some options for you guys under $1,000. So the model I'm about to show you is over $1,000. This is if you're someone that's saving up because you want a power machine straight out the gate. You don't want to build anything. You just want it fresh out the box, ready to go. Alright, here's this one. Personally, I would buy this if I didn't know how to build my own PCs, because it has an AMD Ryzen 3700X and an RTX 2070, okay? Those two components alone is $900 of this build if you were to build it by yourself. That leaves you $349 to get the rest of the parts that are going to be good enough to support these parts, okay? It has a 1 terabyte solid state drive. It'll work perfectly fine. You want 4K editing, 4K gaming, 144 hertz on resolution. This is the PC for you, okay? I don't even know how they're making money off of this build, but they are somehow, some way. But if you were saving up and you wanted to buy a really great gaming PC and you're fine with AMD, if you're someone that prefers Intel, I will of course link in the description down below to show an Intel version of this same build. But I really love how the case look, the fans look really dope. And I believe if you purchase this, it comes with a keyboard and mouse. It's not going to be the best keyboard and mouse, but it does come with one. So if you are saving, if you're at $1,000 and you can wait a couple more months before you buy the best PC for you, I would say hold off and definitely pick up this model. Again, I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Let's try to get 20 likes on this video. Also, we are almost on our way to 500 subscribers. Once we get to 500 subscribers, there will be another giveaway. There's always a giveaway for every 100 subscribers until we reach 1,000. And after that, it will be at every 1,000 mark. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Ajax G out.